until 7 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, located over Flippin, or over McDonough, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include McDonough, Conyers, Covington, Stockbridge, Oxford, Porterdale, Georgia International Horse Park, Blacksville, Ola, Magnet, Almond, Starsville, Flippin, Kellytown, Oak Hill, Rocky Plains, and Richardson Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.